About to get another one for Spokane County, Dad.
Lower 50s to lower 60s. Friday and Friday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Lows in the 50s. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lincoln County, Spokane County. This includes the cities of Spokane, Cheney, northeastern Whitman County until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:54 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing winds up to 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles southwest of Edwall, or 22 miles west of Cheney, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Tyler, Plaza, Wilbur, Edwall, Chico, Rockland, Telford, Latah, Bacton Junction, Wyakin, Creston, Waverly, Davenport, Gravels, Cheney, Spring Canyon Campground, Sherman, Spangle, Eleanor, Fairfield, Medical Lake, Mondovi, Four Lakes, Lincoln, Reardon, Marshall, Fairchild Air Force Base, Bee Creek, Rockford, Valley Ford, Troy Heights, Miles, Micah, Little Falls Dam, Spokane, Fishman, Opportunity, Fairdale, Bullwood, 9 Mile Falls, Green Acres, Trentwood, Liberty Lake, Mead, Tum Tum, Ellis Orchards, Colbert, and Newman Lake. This is a dangerous storm.
We are about to get pain
Prepare immediately for
pounded.
damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington, Lincoln, Spokane, and Whitman. The following is a short-term forecast. Issued at 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time through 8:30 p.m.
Supermarket. I know that you go all day,
Spokane.
corruption and abuse of power.
County until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:54 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time,